In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT for studying 2026 full guide. Studying in 2026 isn't about highlighting everything in neon or rereading notes until your eyes glaze over. It's about understanding concepts deeply and practicing in ways that stick. I'm going to show you how to turn ChatGPT into a personal AI study coach so you can cut prep time, boost confidence, and walk into exams prepared. First, use ChatGPT to simplify complex material. When a textbook chapter feels like it's written in code, open a chat and say, act as an incredibly engaging academic tutor. Break down this specific concept into clear, simple language. Remove all unnecessary jargon and provide a real world, everyday analogy to make it stick. Insert your concept. This gives you a clean, plain English foundation. If the topic is long, feed it in small sections and ask for examples and counterexamples so the idea really lands. Next, switch from passive reading to active recall with a Socratic study session. Tell ChatGPT, I am studying an upcoming unit on subject. Act as an expert examiner using the Socratic method. Ask me one challenging application-based question at a time. Wait for my response, give objective feedback on what I missed, then ask the next question. Answer out loud or in writing, then review the feedback. This pattern builds retrieval strength and exposes gaps you didn't know you had. When you're ready to practice under pressure, build a custom mock exam. Paste your notes or outline and say, based on these study notes, generate a 5-question mock exam. Include 3 multi-statement multiple choice questions and 2 conceptual short answer questions. Do not show me answers or explanations until I submit my text and type grade me. Paste notes. Take it like a real test with a timer, then type grade me to unlock scoring and explanations. Don't rush past mistakes. Copy the missed question and your answer, then ask, here is a question I missed and the answer I gave. Break down the logical error in my reasoning. Explain why the correct answer is right, why my choice failed, and give me a memorable rule of thumb for next time. This reverse engineers your thinking, turning errors into durable lessons. As exams approach, condense everything into a high-density review. Prompt: take my complete topic notes and synthesize them into a rapid review cheat sheet. Focus on critical formulas, high-weight definitions, and exceptional case rules. At the bottom, generate 5 rapid-fire Q-Onda flashcards for morning of drilling. Print or save this for quick refreshers. A crucial reminder, use ChatGPT as a study coach, not a shortcut. Keep your work original and follow your institution's policies. Use AI to make learning active, focused, and consistent. Master the concepts, practice with intention, and you'll see the results. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.